My ultimate is charged.
Well, this is another test. Just to see what it looks like on the recording and give me an idea what
Commander,
it might be like
the last
if I
transmission,
was to
all
stream
900
this
hours.
game.
Since then, nothing.
Perhaps Einstein escaped?
Too much to hope for, General. He would have contacted us by now.
Now, there's no
This is
spoilers
classified.
because
I know.
I sent for
if
her.
I do stream
Tesling,
it,
she is a civilian.
I'll be
That's why I
playing
don't
the
get killed.
Soviet campaign,
Commander, this is Tanya Adams, professional
not the Allied campaign.
volunteer. She will work with you on this mission. Somewhere inside this research center, the Soviets hold Albert Einstein. We need him back immediately.
Albert
Tanya inside.
Einstein
So she can get Einstein
has
out.
been kidnapped by
Once
the
you have located
Russians.
him,
How
bring him
rude.
back to your drop-off point for immediate evacuation.
Evacuation.
The base is heavily fortified, but not invincible.
Their weakness is power. Black out the base and nothing will stop you. Good luck.
Cheers. Because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fuck it up. Yeah. I used to be quite good at the Command and Conquer games back in the day, but
Reinforcements have arrived.
I'm pretty sure that's not the case anymore. Right. Tanya, you just
What's up? Let's
pop
rock!
off over there for now. Actually, no.
Yes, sir.
can't.
Very well. What's up?
I'll send you to come blow shit up, Tanya.
Yes, sir. Cha-ching!
Why are you not moving, Tanya?
Let's rock!
Oh, that's fine. You're not within range
I'm
to
there.
destroy this shit yet.
Cha-ching!
Now you are. Haha.
There.
Reinforcements have
Fuck
arrived.
your shit building.
Let's rock!
Right, Tanya, you better leg it
I'm there.
over there for now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
we really don't want Tanya to die.
At
We need
once.
Tanya
Yes, sir.
to rescue Einstein. Oh, actually, yeah, we might want to destroy this Tesla coil.
Unit lost.
No, it's fucking
At once.
destroying me.
Yes, sir.
Right, you
Affirmative.
attack that.
Reporting.
You also attack that.
Awaiting orders.
And you attack
Acknowledged.
that as well. And
Reporting.
you
Very well.
kill that man.
Unit lost.
Oh, he's dead now. isn't he?
Unit lost.
Good.
Very well.
Unit lost. Oh no, he's not dead.
Very
He's
well.
there. He's alive. Not anymore, he's not. Splat. Fuck off, mate. Right.
Reporting. Of
You
course.
guys, you better destroy the actually no.
Yes,
You better
sir.
destroy the Tesla coil. Otherwise, they will destroy us. Right. A little bit safer. Now. And oh no, I can't have any monies now, can you? 'Cause you ain't got that. Oh, thing.
Reporting.
Oh, truck.
Affirmative.
Yeah, let's just destroy the ore refinery as well. That's always good.
Acknowledged.
What should we destroy next? This.
Affirmative.
Right, Tanya, you'll be good for this.
I'm there.
You go and destroy that.
Unit lost.
Don't get killed though,
Unit
please.
lost.
Yes, sir. At once.
Retreat.
Mission failed.
Mission failed. What? Oh. Was Einstein in that building that I've just blown up? Shit. Because if you're supposed to save Einstein from when he's been kidnapped by the Russians, then if you blow the building up where he's inside, mission failed. Replay mission. Fuck it, yeah. Go on.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Find Einstein. Right.
What's up?
Right. Is she called Tanya? I think.
Let's rock.
Get the mouse on it so I can actually see.
What's up?
Yeah, Tanya. I thought she was called Tanya. Right.
Awaiting orders.
Let's have
Ready
You.
and waiting. Yes, sir.
you.
Yes,
you.
sir.
Oh,
Reporting.
yeah. You go and blow these. Fuck's sake.
Awaiting orders.
You go and
Yes,
blow
sir.
this shit up. They'll all die. That'll be
Reinforcements
good.
have arrived.
Very well.
Right. Next. Ooh.
Shake it, baby. Vehicle reporting.
No, Tanya,
What's up?
you
Let's rock.
are very important and integral part of this mission. Apparently. Right. Let's get.
Reporting. Acknowledged.
Send one of them
Vehicle
over there.
reporting. Acknowledged.
Past to that. No, we'll send two. Right, why are you? No.
Awaiting orders. Yes, sir.
Right, do that. Kill. There's a war going on. Right, these guys
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
are pretty good at blowing that up, I think.
Yes, sir.
You! Fuck off. Your blood spreads through the snow. What?
Awaiting orders. Yes,
Right,
sir.
let's blow that up.
Ready and waiting.
In
Yes, sir.
fact,
Very well.
send him to go and blow
Ready
that
and waiting. Yes, sir.
up. Send you to blow
Awaiting
that up.
orders.
Unit lost.
Oh, they're not very quick at it. Right, Tanya!
Unit lost.
Tanya, we need your help.
I'm there.
Oh,
Reporting.
we better get them to
Yes, sir.
give her a bit of
Affirmative.
cover.
Yes,
You
sir.
guys,
Affirmative.
just attack that for now. Where's Tanya? There's Tanya.
I'm there.
Blow that shit up.
I'm
And
there.
next. Please blow that shit up and don't die to the Tesla coil. That'd be good.
Reporting. Acknowledged.
Can you
What's
blow
up?
that out, Tanya?
Let's rock.
Oh, you can. Woo! Well,
Yes, sir.
regroup.
Affirmative. Yes, sir.
Right. Let's send
Let's
Tanya
rock.
over there for now. Actually, no. Let's send Tanya to this.
Yes, sir. Very well.
Send these to there.
Mission
Oh!
failed.
They killed Tanya! Or have I just killed the exact same building again that I should have known Einstein may well have been inside? Ah, well.